How tree leaves collect a hidden toxin, the secret life of mercury in forests. What if the leaves above us were quietly collecting a dangerous chemical and then sending it back to the ground? Today, we'll follow mercury's hidden journey through tree leaves and discover how forests can move a toxic form of mercury into our soils and waterways. Mercury is a naturally occurring metal that can travel long distances in the air. In one form, it's a gas, but in the environment, tiny microbes can change it into methylmercury, a far more dangerous version that builds up in animals and people. You've probably heard about methylmercury in fish. Small doses accumulate in small creatures, then get bigger in bigger fish and in the animals or people that eat them. What's less known is that leaves, the green machines of trees, can also pick up mercury and hold methylmercury inside them. Scientists followed 5 American beech trees through a single growing season, from spring through fall. They sampled leaves many times, testing each sample for total mercury and specifically for methylmercury. By sampling the same trees over months, the researchers could see how mercury in leaves built up, changed form, or left the leaves as the season progressed. 2 clear patterns emerged. First, total mercury in leaves rose steadily over the growing season. Think of each leaf like a little sponge soaking up mercury from the air. The longer the season, the more mercury the leaves collected. Second, methylmercury, the harmful kind, didn't follow the same simple climb. In some trees, methylmercury started high, dropped in early summer, then rose again. In others, it steadily increased over the entire growing season. That variability tells us different trees, or different conditions, change how much of the mercury becomes methylmercury. Crucially, by the end of the season, leaves generally contained more methylmercury than they did at the start. In short, foliage acts as a net accumulator of methylmercury over a growing season. The researchers considered 3 main processes that can change methylmercury inside leaves. First, external uptake. Methylmercury can arrive on leaves from the air, soil, or in rain and stick to leaf surfaces. Second, in-leaf production. Microbes living on or inside leaves or chemical reactions in the leaf can convert other forms of mercury into methylmercury. Third, loss by light. Sunlight can break methylmercury down, removing it from the leaf. Which process dominates depends on local conditions. Some leaves get more exposure to airborne methylmercury. Some host more microbes that make it. And in bright sunlight, more of it can be destroyed. That mix of factors explains why different trees show different methylmercury patterns. So why should we care? When leaves fall in autumn, the mercury and methylmercury they're holding don't disappear. They become part of the litter on the forest floor. From there, bacterial and chemical reactions in soil and nearby streams can move mercury back into water and convert it into forms that enter food webs. That process creates a pathway for methylmercury to reach insects, fish, wildlife, and ultimately people. In other words, trees and their leaves are active players in the mercury cycle, not just passive scenery. Here are the quick takeaways. Leaves collect mercury during the growing season. Some of that mercury becomes methylmercury inside or on the leaf. And leaf litter moves this toxic form into soils and waters where it can enter food chains. Studies like this help us spot hidden roots of pollution so we can better monitor ecosystems and protect public health. Thanks for listening. Keep asking questions about the natural cycles happening above and beneath our feet.